Hello everybody. Today our medal ceremony. They actually completed their 1 month properly, and they have attended every single classes. And we'll give our students medal. First of all, I want to say their first medalist. His name is Zahid Matubor.
Mr. Zahid sir, how was your journey with English Fantasy?
Alhamdulillah, our journey was very good. I am very happy to get award and this certificate. When I get any kind of award, I feel very well. I am thankful to get this award.
Thank you so much.
The second one, Rahas Sani.
Rahas Sani, how was your journey with English Fantasy?
Sir, actually very well. Sir, I say my opinion, sir. When I came English Fantasy, that time I didn't say any English word, but now I can speak fluently. It's my improve, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. How was your journey with English Fantasy?
First time I came here, that I didn't speak fluently. That's now I'm speak fluently, and I'm capable talking to others person, and I'm not afraid now. Just I'm very confidently speaking English. That is amazing. This journey.
Perhaps you have got China's visa, right?
Yeah, I got.
Say a few words about your China's visa.
Today I got a Chinese visa, and I'm Alhamdulillah everything. That's I will go again China.
Best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This is my 100% attendance medal. It was my struggling journey. That's why today I'm very excited for my achievement.
Actually, English Fantasy is a best platform for English learning. Our journey was fantastic and memorable. We spent many times together. Especially our notes are just not English. He teaches us many things. He teaches us discipline, politeness. And my basic journey was fantastic.
So that is the end. Today I'm just shared 49 batch. They got their achievement, like they got 100% attendance medal and they got their certificate. So thank you everyone for stay with us.